Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Chief from DAV Pilkey's Dogman. Let me introduce you to Chief Clarence Bailey, a central character in the Dogman series. As the leader of the police force, Chief is a prominent figure in the community, and his personality and appearance make him a memorable and endearing character. Physically, Chief is easily recognizable in his police uniform, which consists of a blue shirt adorned with a yellow badge on his chest. His hat proudly displays the word Chief in bold, black letters, signifying his position of authority. He pairs his uniform with dark blue jeans and dark gray shoes, although his shoes occasionally appear brown. Chief's dark skin, black zigzag mustache, and round nose add to his distinctive appearance. As the Chief of Police, Clarence Bailey is a complex character with a multifaceted personality. While he can be bossy at times, getting angry when things don't go his way, he is generally a kind and calm individual. However, he does have a tendency to be forgetful, which is occasionally referenced throughout the series. Despite this, Chief is a well-respected and important member of the community. Chief's personal life is also worth noting. He resides in a distinctive purple house, which later changes to red in the story. The house features a blue door, one window, and a sign on the roof that proudly declares, Chief's House. A single tree stands beside his residence, adding a touch of warmth and character to the scene. Interestingly, Chief's house undergoes a significant change when his job is taken over by the villainous Dr. Scum, evil mayor, and her Robo Chief. A small board is nailed to the front of the house, altering the sign to read, Ex-Chief's House. This poignant detail highlights the challenges and setbacks that Chief faces throughout the series. Chief, the beloved character from the Dogman series, is a fascinating figure with a rich history. As the first person to appear in the series, Chief sets the tone for the adventures that unfold. His infectious enthusiasm is evident in his catchphrase, "Oh boy, this is gonna be great," which he exclaims in every book. Interestingly, Chief's real name was initially revealed to be simply Chief in Dogman and Cat Kid. However, this was later retconned in the Meet the Cast for Big Jim Begins, where his full name, Clarence Bailey, was disclosed. Despite this change, Chief remains a constant and endearing presence throughout the series. One of the most distinctive aspects of Chief's character is his quirky personality. In Mothering Heights, he's seen wearing duck slippers that quack when he walks, showcasing his playful side. His love for comfort is also evident in his new couch, which unfortunately meets a dramatic end when Dogman crashes through the roof. Chief's interactions with Dogman are always entertaining, particularly when Dogman pounces on him. Chief's exasperated cries of "bad doggy" have become a hallmark of their dynamic. Furthermore, Chief's reactions to unexpected events, such as the return of Petey, Mecha Petey, and Flippy, are priceless, with his "I thought he was dead" phrase becoming a memorable catchphrase. As a police officer, Chief stands out for not wearing a badge on his hat, a detail that's been consistent throughout the series. Although he did sport a badge in some earlier comics, this unique aspect of his design has become an integral part of his character. Chief's appearances extend beyond the Dogman series, as he's also featured in the Cat Kid Comic Club series, specifically in the comics Frogzilla and Frogzilla vs. Mecha-Frogzilla. His presence in every single book of the Dogman series is a testament to his importance in the narrative. When I reflect on this drawing, I'm struck by the captivating color palette that brings Chief to life. The combination of blue and yellow is particularly effective, creating a visually appealing contrast that draws the viewer's eye. As someone who has a special affinity for the color blue, I'm naturally drawn to this artwork. The use of Prussian blue and cobalt blue for Chief's cop outfit and cap is a masterful choice, evoking a sense of trust and authority. The deep yellow used for the badge and font on Chief's cap adds a pop of brightness, creating a nice visual balance. The black and cool gray used for Chief's shoes provide a sleek, modern touch. When I examine the drawing more closely, I noticed that Chief's head bears a striking resemblance to Humpty Dumpty from Alice in Wonderland. This unexpected nod to a beloved character adds an extra layer of charm to the artwork. From a technical standpoint, the use of black gel pen for the outlines provides crisp, clean lines that help define the character's features. The brown and gray color pencils used for shading add depth and dimensionality to the drawing, creating a sense of volume and texture. Overall, this drawing is a delightful tribute to Chief from the Dogman series. I've had the pleasure of drawing a variety of characters, including Dogman, Lil Petey, and many others from different series. I've conveniently pinned the link to these videos at the top of this video, and you can also find the playlist at the end. I'd love for you to check out these videos and explore my channel further. I've also created some engaging shorts, incorporating animations related to the characters to make them more interesting. Your support means the world to me, and I'd be grateful if you could subscribe to my channel. I know there are many big channels that create similar drawing tutorials using digital tools. However, I wanted to share my traditional drawing process with you, demonstrating how to achieve the exact or near exact image using various colors and techniques. If you are watching my videos till now, then thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.